Happy Mother's Day! Thank you for everything, for being a mother and father to me and my siblings. I am strong because I inherited it to you. We've been apart, but one day, I will pursue all our dreams. Alam mo yan and promised ko sa'yo yan. Hindi man ngayon, pero darating ang araw na magsisettle tayo at magkakasama. Ang dami kong failure sa buhay, but still, you're there to accept all my flaws. You're not just a mother to me, you're also my best friend and enemy. Ha ha ha. I love you to the moon and back. I'll promise to remove all your struggles out of the line. Lovingly yours, your beautiful and sexy daughter, all the way from Albania. Michelle.
I love you, Nang. Thank you so much. First ever flowers from you. I love you so much. Alam mo yan, mahal ko kayong lahat. Lahat ginawa ko. Nabawasan man tayo, pero hindi nabawasan yung pagmamahal ko. Salamat sobra. I'm so happy today.